Hello everyone, I am Mehak Parveen. Today my presentation topic is Sir John Howard short biography. Sir John Howard was born in 1497. He died 1580. Was an English writer known for his plays, poem and collection of proverbs. Although he is best known as playwright, he was also active as a musician and composer, though no musical works survive. A devout Catholic, Anarthless served as a royal servant to both the Catholic and Protestant regimes of Henry VIII, Edward VI, Mary I, and Elizabeth I. Although Sir John Howard was a staunch Catholic, he wrote about the Catholic Protestant Church and the condition of Henry VIII, Edward VI, Mary I, and Elizabeth I. The famous plays, verses, and famous epigrams written during his period. His name first appeared in the King Henry VIII household books in 1590 as a singer, a job for which he received quarterly payments of 100 shillings. In 1521, he began receiving annual rents from land in Essex, lands recently seized by Crown, which made Howard wealthy and prosperous. In 1523, he received the freedom of the city of London with the help of Henry VIII. At about the same time, he married John Russell, the nephew of Sir Thomas More. Through the marriage, Howard entered into a very dramatic family. In the 1520 and 1530, he was writing, producing interludes for the royal court. He enjoyed the patronage of Edward VI and Mary I, writing plays to present at court. While some of his plays call for music, no song or text survive. In 1533, he received a gilt cup from the king. Howard was most successful in Mary Court, where he redrafted his allegory, The Spider and Fly, in order to compliment the queen. Though Howard had performed from Elizabeth Court, he was forced to flee England from Brabant because of the Act of Uniformity against Catholic, and 1564 he died in Mechelen and present-day Belgium. Significant work: All the Proverbs in English tongue 1549 and collection of epigrams published together. Sir John Howard works in 1562 ballads, among them the Valoggerland sung by Desdemona in Othello and long verses allegory The Spider and Fly in 1556.